Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will go back to basics. This is one of the easiest customs you can do. This is one of the most overhyped and over popular, especially with Gen Zs, the Nike Dunks Panda. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. First thing we'll need, of course, is a fresh pair of AF1s or whatever sneakers you prefer. Make sure to take up the laces, acetone, cotton pads, a bunch of flat brushes and angled brushes, and of course, Angelus leather paint. First step is to prep the area that you will be painting. As for the Panda, we'll just be painting the toe guard, the heel guard, the swoosh, and we'll be painting this strip right here for the Air Force Ones. Now with that, you might have to go over it one more time just to really make sure to remove the factory coating that we have on the Air Force Ones. And now we'll start painting. Mainly, I will be using two angled brushes. One would be a size 11 and one would be a size 1. Now, to get to this, I just did 2 layers of black Angelus leather paint. As always, do short, quick strokes. And we're gonna go through the borders first and go inwards. Now, as for me, I always start on the heel tab and just dip it really lightly, just the tip on the paint, and go through the corners first. Using here a number 11 angled brush, going inwards. Now, we're just using just the tip of the brush. You don't have to flatten your brush and brush it on really hard, or else you'll be having really bad brush strokes. And if you do see brush strokes, for now, on the first layer, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Once you get on the second layer, it's gonna be gone, especially on a really dark color, generally in all dark colors. That's just gonna be hard for whites and really light colors, so that's where you'd have to be careful. Now make sure to get into the nooks and crannies of the threads and the stitching. Now that's that. That's our first layer done for this part of this panel of the heel tab. I'm just gonna continue doing this on the upper part of the heel tab, the swoosh, the toe guard, and what else? Of course, the Air Force One strip right here, and on this part, as well as the Nike Air on the back, okay? Now for the swoosh, instead of going inwards, since this is very thin, we're going from the middle outwards, so we can prevent painting the sides of the fabric itself. Now we're done with the first layer on our right pair. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing all over again. I'm just gonna let this dry for at least 15 minutes. And now I'm just gonna let the first layer dry for at least 15 minutes and then gonna do the same exact thing for the second layer. Then I'll be back. I have here a size 1 angled brush and we're gonna let this bleed. Let it bleed. Now we're gonna go through the corners, from the corners or sides inwards, dipping your brush very, very lightly, just the tip of your brush on your paint. We're gonna go through the left sides first, like literally. Now, once you're satisfied with the layers that you've done and it's all dried up for at least, again, 15 minutes, we're gonna be brushing a really thin coat of Angelus acrylic finisher, matte acrylic finisher because they got, I think, 3 types, glossy and satin too. They got those. This is not sponsored. Hope it is, but Angelus is the only brand that I trust when it comes to custom sneakers. That's it. I have here a number 12 angled brush, flat brush, and I'm just gonna be pouring this over my palette and just a really thin layer, and just let it all dry after that. Just like painting your shoes, basically. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any questions on what we did, comments, requests, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Map. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.